Hello and welcome back. In this tutorial we're going to take a look at lyrics. You can enter your lyrics from the text menu here, and there are several predefined lyrics set up. Block lyrics, which would be good for adding at the end of a song. Typically in sheet music you might find verses 2 and 3 added at the end. A chorus, which I believe is default with italics. Lyrics above the staff, sometimes you need that. And then typically what we're going to look at is lyrics line 1, 2, and 3 here. Control L is the shortcut. So you select the note you want to start with and do Control L. But before we do, I'm going to take a look at the lyrics. Okay, I gave my love a cherry. So Control L, I, and then space. Type in the word, space. Type the word in, space, so forth. And notice there I put in a hyphen in, because cherry is 2 syllables. If I do that, that's not going to look right. But you type a dash and it automatically puts it in there. Another thing you can do, and we're going to do this in the next section when we get to chicken. I typed it in, and then just like any word processor, Shift, Home, highlights everything. Control X will cut it, and do Control V and watch what happens. It automatically breaks the word into syllables for you. There are a few words I run across that Sibelius doesn't seem to know what to do with, but for the most part it works pretty good. And just like with anything else, select here, Control Shift A, and it selects the whole line. You can change your fonts, your font size here. And then we want verse 2. But before we do verse 2, I'm going to show you a feature. Highlight that, Control C. We'll come back here. And we're going to do verse 2. Lyrics line 2. And I already have the lyrics copied into the clipboard. Then we do Control V. And you just keep doing Control V until you're done. Another thing you can do is add the text, the lyrics from a text file. And we'll delete this temporarily and save this. So we choose from a text file. I'm going to highlight the note. First I'm going to go back and delete everything. Well, lyrics wise. Go back to Home, Filters, select Lyrics, and delete it. And we're going to do back to text. From a text file, you have to select a passage. We're going to start there, go all the way to here. Let's see if this will let us do it. Yes. So we browse. Documents. Somewhere. Riddle. Lyrics are in English. Automatically syllabify. Lyric style 1. We don't want 1, do we? We want lines 3. So we could have left the other lyrics in. Delete existing lyrics first. Didn't need to delete them if I chose to do that. And other warnings here. So let's see what happens. How about that? Adds it in just fine. So come back here. And we can try adding in. We already have 3, so we can delete it. I'm doing Control X, cutting it so that we can come back and add it in later. We're going to do the same thing, text from file, but this time we want text 2. Don't delete the lyrics. And the document's already there. And then we would go back to the document. Save it. Go back and do verse 1. Don't delete anything. And we have it. The only thing we'll change is right here. I double-clicked on that syllable there and just erased it. I didn't press backspace to go all the way back to the previous one because I don't want the hyphen to do funny things. Press escape, go to here, and then go to verse 3. Type in the rest of it, and we have it. If I had done, let me go back, I'm Control Z to undo. I double click here, I come back here, I do like this, so I do a hyphen, dash, and then space to go to the next one, I get this, which I don't want. So what I want, double click here, backspace, but don't go any further, press the space bar, and escape to get out, and we end up with the proper hyphenation. There are 5 lyrics lines predefined in here. There are some plug-in options, verse numbers. Let's try the verse numbers. Okay, select the bar, add verse numbers. We can put some verse numbers in automatically. Alrighty, thanks for watching. We'll take a look at layout and appearance next, and then we'll get into the play options.